Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Air Force live fire test of Anduril YFQ44A CCA collaborative combat aircraft advances semi-autonomous fighter drone program with AIM120 launch. The US Air Force has conducted a live fire test of an Anduril YFQ44A collaborative combat aircraft, firing an AIM-120 advanced medium-range air-to-air missile, AMRAAM, at a digital target over the Mojave Desert. Anduril said the aircraft operated from Edwards Air Force Base in California, marking a key step in the service's effort to turn semi-autonomous combat aircraft into an operational capability. The test follows a phased development campaign that began earlier this year with inert weapons carriage evaluations. Those flights were used to verify aircraft handling before later work validated data link integration between the aircraft and the weapon system. This live-fire test is an important next step in the development of collaborative combat aircraft, said Air Force Chief of Staff General Kenneth S. Wilsbach. We're one step closer to delivering capabilities to the warfighter. The Air Force is developing Anduril's FQ-44A and General Atomics Aeronautical Systems FQ-42A as the first increment of collaborative combat aircraft. That initial increment is focused on air-to-air missions, with the broader CCA collaborative combat aircraft concept intended to add lower-cost combat mass alongside crewed aircraft. Anduril said the test demonstrated an engagement sequence supported by its autonomous lattice software. After takeoff from Edwards, the software received target information. A human operator directed the YFQ-44A to strike the target, and the aircraft fired the missile as instructed. This was more than a simple weapons release test, said Mark Shushna, Vice President of Autonomous Airpower at Anduril. It demonstrated an end-to-end, beyond line-of-sight strike against a simulated target. The Air Force stressed that human oversight remains central to the CCA collaborative combat aircraft program. The aircraft will not autonomously employ weapons, and the decision to release any weapon remains exclusively with a human operator who maintains command and control of the platform. Moving from inert carriage earlier in the year to this weapon release demonstrates program maturity, allowing us to validate our digital integration models with actual data, said General Dale White, Department of War Direct Reporting Portfolio Manager for Critical Major Weapon Systems. These tests provide operational validation that collaborative combat aircraft can execute the weapon employment sequence autonomously within pilot-defined parameters, accelerating capability delivery to the warfighter. The live-fire event was supported by the Air Dominance Combined Test Force from Edwards 412th Test Wing. The team includes active-duty military personnel, government civilians and contractors working to refine and validate the models needed for safe live-fire testing. The CCA Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program is part of a wider Air Force push to field semi-autonomous systems that can extend the reach, awareness and survivability of U.S. airpower in contested environments. Air Force officials have said CCAs could support missions including strike, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, communications and decoy operations, while the service ultimately seeks a fleet of about 1,000 aircraft. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.